Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this JPEG, and they know that they can use this right here and left and right and center, but they want to make them even from top to bottom. Well, this is I'm going to get rid of this picture because I've got it right here. When you click on the text, you get your text document, and here's your justifications and spacing. But I think probably the easiest way to do it is this is all one group of text. Go to object and break it apart. And then you can move this down. And if you still want them in center, you can hit C on the keyboard and put it center. But then if you wanted this center text exactly in the middle between the text and the fully justified, you can just go to your Docker, go to Windows, Dockers, and align and distribute, and then just pick, normally pick this one right here, center, center. So now your text is spaced out between these two, center, center. I'm hoping that was the question. And be careful on some of this stuff. This is like at the top of the line. This is like at the bottom of the line, and see how they change. This one is distribute from the bottom, but this is the one I use the most, distribute from the center of the lines. It's kind of hard to see. Matter of fact, this is probably it from center to, yeah, there it is right there. Distribute center vertically. So these letters are spaced out. You know, it's a little bit difficult sometimes because we're going to take a lowercase letter and go to a lowercase letter, and we got 3.59, and we're going to try to go from a lowercase letter, maybe this, well, see, it's kind of hard because every letter is a little bit different. Let me back up here and do this. Let's just take the word text and text, so they'll be the same, and I'm going to hit D and make a duplicate, and then hit D again. And then I'm going to select them all. I'm going to hit C on the keyboard and that put them center. And then I'm going to center them justified, center vertically. So now we can use the parallel dimension tool to kind of prove that they are, and hopefully they will be. It's a little bit hard trying to find, what we could do for sure. Let's go this, and let's convert these to a curve. And now it should click to it. See how it snaps to that node? It snaps to that node. So we're 2.49, and then snap to that node, and we're 2.49. So those lines are equally spaced apart. I'm hoping that's what the question was. If not, he'll get back to me. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.